As in, hindi ko pa talaga makita. Okay lang. O sige, sige, sagad niyo po. 4. Pangpo-4 na po. Magpo-4 na. So, yun po. Opo, madami din po tayong natutunan dito sa Kumu, guys. Opo. Yes, ang dami. And the biggest lesson that I've ever learned was, you will lose friends because of money. Mawawalan po kayo mga kaibigan dahil po sa pera. Opo. Yes. Pero parang ikaw yung hindi lumalaban, alam mo yun? Parang ikaw na lang nagpapaubaya sa mga, sige, sige, kunin niyo na po siya. Pero okay lang po yan, basta ano po. Basta. Nakita na din po namin yan ng, for 4 years straight, guys. Di ba parang tawag dito? Nilaban, pinaglaban, lumaban, naging kompetensya, pero yung nasa huli, sino nanalo? No comment. Pero yun po talaga yun. As in. Opo. Basta lang po, masaya po tayong lahat at hindi po tayo tumatapak sa mga ibang tao. Kasi guys, it's amazing how it's amazing how so many people are willing to step on others just so that they can get the limelight. Eh di sa'yo na po. Ang sad lang, di ba? May mga ganun talaga. They will go the extra mile. They will go to the extra mile to try and step on others, talk bad about others. Para what? For what? Kasi bored sila. Wala po silang magawa sa buhay po nila. Or maybe build a castle outside or mow the lawns. Or sweep the floor, maglinis ng bahay, do the chores. Pero wala. Mga nambobola po. Okay lang po kung inaway niyo po, okay lang po kung inaway po nila ako. Masyado po akong busy. Opo, dami din pong nangyari. Yes, oo, tawag dito. And it's so sad because this is like a ranting session before I end my stream. It's kind of just like and whoever's listening, record me if you want. Work. Kasi may mga trabaho po talagang tao dito sa mundo. Hindi, lang, my last take on this is that, when you have supporters and you disappear for X amount of time and then they support other people, it's like, oh, I don't want to visit them because magagalit sila. That's the thing that I do not get. Cancel me if you want for me for saying this. It's like oh, magagalit po sila pag dito nag-visit po ako sa iyo. Di ko gets kasi pera ba nila yun? Pera ba ng streamer yung gifter? Sino po nagpapapera dun sa gifter? Di ba dapat the other way around? Because yung loyalty na pinagsasabi lang, sabi. Yes, loyalty can still be kept, and you visiting other streamers is not going to do anything. Tapos may mga streamers na nagtatampo sa gifters, ganun. Parang, Excuse me, if I was the freaking streamer, okay yung streamer. Sasabihin ko sa sarili ko, bakit ako magtatampo sa isang tao na hindi ko naman sinisweldohan? Pero ko ba yun? Pero ko ba yun, guys? Hindi ko pera yun kasi hindi ko pera yun. So, the conclusion of that is I shouldn't feel upset or angry or mad when I see Sky visiting other streamers. End of story. I don't tampo or like, I can't be dropping more than 5K dito sa streamer na to kasi makikita po nila. What? Oh, well, I mean, like at the end of the day, it's the other way around. It's kind of like, the gifters could gift it to whoever they want and whoever they feel like they want to support. So it's like it is what it is. But at the end of the day, it's kind of like if people stream for a reason. The reason why this streaming app was created was to build brotherhood and camaraderie and connections with other people. I don't think it was made for us to be like, this is mine and that's yours. Di ko talaga gets yung mga ganun tao, guys. Sorry na lang. Pero at the end of the day, like, if you have a supporter, just be thankful that they're supporting you. And if they're supporting others, so what? That's not your money. If they want to be dropping it to other people, wag po kayo mag-alala kasi hindi po kayo mauubusan. Because at the end of the day, going back to what it is, loyalty is key. And when loyalty is key, they will still pick you at the end of the day. So, sa mga nagsistay po dyan, sa mga like, kay Ate Marian, si Sky, si Faye, sa mga iba, si Kuya Mako, sa mga, lahat guys, as in, thankful ako sa loyalty po nila. Pero you will never find me, and I say this in verbatim, you will never find me be so tampo or magagalit or do this or do that kasi I found them in another stream. May sinabi si ano dito. I experienced that I was supporting someone and when I'm supporting the others, they sundo me. May nalalaman pa silang mga sundo. Diyos ko po, oh my gosh. Parang hindi na po makatarungan po yung ganun. Parang sobrang toxic na po yung ganung energy. And I can say, and God is my witness, I have never felt some type of jealousy on a co-streamer because my gifter's dropping more than 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, 10 million. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ko naman yung pera and it's their choice to be dropping to other people. And it sucks because some of the gifters that I've communicated with, it's kind of like it's disappointing because they're here on Kumu to feel positive, to feel happy. Pero these streamers